Yo, another day, another adventure with your own boy Jermaine getting this vlog started off. So I have an idea. Since I've been making a lot of walking tours, right? And I've been making vlogs, I thought to somewhat combine the two together. And also, since I am sort of not doing so great on YouTube anymore, it's like I can just not post videos, or I can just post like all the time, right? And just don't even edit. I think that's the route I want to start to go. I want to start to make like straight up like 5-minute videos of like me doing something around the city in a particular place, me talking about a couple of different things, and then after that, after 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 or 10 minutes, just don't edit the video and just drop it online. And that's the video for the day, right? Because this is what I got going on. So now, what we're gonna do is this is this gigantic hill that leads us to this really cool park over here. And I'm actually gonna go to this park so I can sit down and there's like you know, a nice view and all that. So I'll go to this park and sit down and chill for a minute, catch my breath. This is an enormous hill, but at the top of this hill is a walkway that goes down this way. There's also a walkway that goes up this way. And I really want to focus on the walkway going up this way after I go hang out at the park for a minute to catch my breath, because whoo, this is a big hill. Another thing about the walking tours, like I like doing the walking tours, and believe me, I'm not gonna stop. Like I'll definitely do more walking tours, but I like never show my face in those videos, and in this one I can like show my face and it can be like a vlog and I can show you stuff at the same time. So next question is, this is a really big hill, by the way. Let me catch my breath for a second. Okay, where's the bike? So the bike is at home. I just left the bike at home today. I wasn't going to work, but I had one of the apps on and app was just buzzing, so I was like, let's go grab a couple of these orders. Okay, at the top here, this is one beautiful area to explore, I tell you. This is a weird hill because you can't see the bottom there, and then you can't see the bottom here. I always hate those deliveries where I have to come up this hill and I have to like literally climb all the way up, only to just go down like right over here. So yeah, it's not my favorite hill. But I do love this park. If you ever want to know where this park is, I don't tell people this often, but Vallejo and Taylor, for the people who still watch my videos. Wow, I usually come here in the daytime and I never see like anyone here, like ever. On the weekends, there's always people here, but during the week, it's usually quiet. Really insane views of the city. Yeah, I think, you know, this is a good place to sit for a little bit. Catch my breath, throw the backpack down, sit down, check some messages. Yeah, so today I didn't feel like taking out the bike. You know, I rode the bike a little bit, and then the whole idea was to make some walking tours, but I kept one of the apps on, and then 2 orders popped up, pick up from the same location. They're basically going to the same drop-off location, so I had to jump on that one for sure. Yeah, but for now, I'm just trying to, you know, get back to making videos. Like, I don't know, I just went through this streak of like pumping out videos, and then I went out of town, and then, you know, I didn't make any videos when I was out of town, and now I'm just like, yo, let's get back in the name of the game. But then whenever I make vlogs, I feel like people don't really watch them. Like, people watch the walking tours because they don't care about me, they just want to see the city, you know? So, I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out, maybe I'll mix it up with this whole style, because I definitely want to make videos like every day. But it's really annoying when you make a video and then people don't watch it, you know? Or you just make like a walking tour video and they get way more views. And then it's kind of hard to make walking tours because it's like, yo, I just like went and filmed this area, so do I go back and film this area again? Like, do I just keep walking around the same streets, keep filming? I don't know if that works. Like, I can do that, you know? Because for the most part, I just want people to watch. So, I mean, if people want me to, you know, walk around the same exact streets and film, like, yeah, I guess I could do that. It's somewhat kind of easy to do. But for now, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this, but maybe I will, because it's super random, and yeah, I feel like I'm just speaking my mind right now, no editing. Maybe I should work on more videos in the future with no editing. Believe it or not, a lot of my scenes I actually don't edit. It's like all like AI edited, so I don't know. Something more to think about in the future. Maybe I'll have to get a little bit more creative here. Another thing I don't want to talk about is I don't want to talk about deliveries all the time. And, you know, that's kind of my front, is deliveries. You know, when people ask me what do I do in the city, I just say, oh, Uber Eats, you know. And in videos, like, you know, I talk about Uber Eats a lot, and Uber Eats kind of suck. A lot of the apps kind of suck. But there is something else I'm working on. I would love to share, but if I share it, I feel like it would saturate the market that I'm trying to enter in. Hint, hint, I'm working on something else I really want to share, because it would be really cool to talk about. People have talked about this in my chats, but like if I say it, like, it's gonna be like, it's not gonna work for me anymore. But anyway, you guys will find out soon. You'll probably hear about it soon. You'll probably see it soon. I won't talk about it here, but you'll definitely see it. It's something that's happening in the city that I'm gonna be doing really soon, and some people would probably really appreciate it, because it's something new and different. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up, because this is my seat. I want to sit down and chill, stretch my legs, and then after that, I think I am gonna do a walk-in tour. I'm trying to figure out if I want to go towards Lombard Street, so I can go walking up this hill, make my way up towards Lombard Street, and then I can cut over and go down the Knob Hill, and I can enter back into downtown. Or I can take a different route. I can go up this way, you know, go to Knob Hill, Lombard Street, and then walk down Lombard Street and go straight to the tourist area. I think I almost want to do that. I think that sounds a little bit more appealing right now. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. It's a fun, random video. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo. Such a stunning day today. Soak up the sun.